In this video, I will show you very useful, effective and latest WhatsApp features. As you know, WhatsApp keeps updating its app, and many powerful features are still hidden. In this video, I will show you 5 new WhatsApp features that can improve your privacy, storage, and daily chatting experience. Make sure you watch till the end, because some of these features are very useful and most people don't know about them. Number 1. WhatsApp. Username feature. WhatsApp is testing a new username feature. With this, you can chat without sharing your phone number. To use this feature, follow these steps. 1. Open WhatsApp settings. 2. Go to Profile. 3. Tap Username. 4. Create a unique username. 5. Save changes. Once enabled, people can find you using your username instead of your number. Number 2. Mention all people feature in groups. WhatsApp now allows mention all in group chats. How it works? 1. Open any WhatsApp group 2. Type it all in the message box. Send the message. All group members will get notified even if the group is muted. Number 3. Incognito AI Meta Mode. WhatsApp Meta. AI now has an incognito or private mode. Key points. AI chats are not saved. No chat history stored. Useful for private questions. How to use. 1. Open Meta AI chat. 2. Enable incognito or temporary chat. 3. Start asking questions. Number 4. WhatsApp app on Apple Watch. WhatsApp has launched a dedicated Apple Watch app. What you can do? Read messages. Reply using quick replies or voice. View images. Receive notifications. Steps. 1. Open Watch app on iPhone 2. Install WhatsApp on Apple Watch 3. Log in and sync. Number 5. Strict security settings. WhatsApp added advanced security controls. Important options. App lock with Face ID or fingerprint. 2-step verification. Screenshot blocking for some chats. Steps. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Tap Privacy. 3. Open Advanced Security. 4. Enable required options. These are the latest WhatsApp features you should know in 2026. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more updates.